We're gonna do one more deep breath in. Exhale away. Nice. Bend your head here. Doing okay here? Maybe if you'll need this impulse a little bit. Wow.
And if you ever saw, you would even say,
People go.
Yeah, that's exactly when people do that.